guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Angel. So today we're gonna do another backdrop tutorial, and I wanna talk a little bit about the fabric that I told you guys I'll be selling. The reason why I will be selling this fabric is because most of the people, they ask me where I buy my fabric. But the point is, the fabric, most of the fabric I use, I buy in a local store in my city. So it's very hard for you to get them. But the good way for me to do this, and it also will be helping me to support my channel, I decided to start selling this fabric. And the fabric that I'll be selling, everything comes from China. So, and I put on my Facebook group, and some people they don't know even the material, what is the difference between sheer and stretch or satin. So this is the satin. It's shiny. So yeah, this is the one. It's shiny, and it's satin in each color, in any color you want, you can get them. It's so beautiful. I love them, but I don't use them most of the time because it has a lot of this line. I have to iron them before, and I don't have time to do that. So I usually don't. I use them sometime if I don't have sheer. This is sheer chiffon. You saw me a lot of time I use on my backdrop. This is the white one, and this is I don't know, you guys, how, I don't know even you can call this color. I don't know. It's not, it's purple, or it's not lavender. It's you name it yourself. I don't know the name. And we have this is I love this material. It's easy to manipulate. It's easy to work on it. You don't need to iron, so very nice looking. Yeah, this is the one. I think they call it ice silk. So this is the one I will be selling most of the time. I will have also shears and satin. But the one I order right now, most of them I order more for this sheer because I love them. And most of the video I'll be doing now, I'll be using this one because really, I just fall in love with this fabric. So right now I only take pre-order because the fabric is not here yet. It is on its way, but I still taking pre-order. So if you wanna order your fabric right now, you can order. The way you can pay is by PayPal or by, I don't know, you guys in the US how you can do it, but or by Western Union, yeah, or also by bank account. I can give you my bank account and then put the money. So then maybe in 3 weeks I'll be how will be shipping the material to you. So this is all. The fabric is sheer, satin, or this is silk, ice silk, and it's stretch. Yeah, you make your choice. Which material you like. This is the way we cut them. We cut them on 13 foot. So it's ready for you to use. So them this way. It has already a rod pocket. Yeah, this is the one I did myself, but the one is coming is professional made, so you don't need to do anything. If you wanna order, so please contact me and I will give you the price. Yeah, thank you guys. Let's start our backdrop. So hope you guys like my video for today, and please don't forget to share with your friend, and tell your friend that I'm selling this fabric, so don't keep for yourself. I think it was Monday. I don't know if it was Monday or Tuesday. I shipped some of the fabric because someone liked my backdrop. She just liked my backdrop, and she asked the same fabric was on that backdrop. So I sell them because I know I'm gonna get the same one. So the same color is coming back. So you guys, if you like the color I'm using, like if you say I do my backdrop and you like the color and you wanna buy the same color for you to try the design, why not? We can do business, right? So, but please, the lavender that you saw there, don't try to ask me if you can buy it, because I'm not selling it, because that one is a different material. It's still sheer, but it's kind of heavy. So I don't know until I saw the one these people will send to me, so then I can know that I will get the same. Because really, I love them. I love that material, so I will not sell it. So don't even ask for it, because I'm not going to do it. Yeah. So thank you guys. Let's start. We have white, lavender, and sequin silver, and eggplant. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, and thank you for your comment and your like and your subscribe. So thank you so much guys, God bless you.